So Python program to read any character. If the character what we entered is in lowercase, then convert it into uppercase. If we entered uppercase character, then convert it into lowercase. So we need one variable here. The variable is ch. Enter any character. Look at the if condition. So if a ch greater than or equal to capital A and ch less than or equal to capital Z. So what we entered is, if it is a capital letter, we are supposed to convert it into lowercase. Look at the conversion. Ch is equal to ch dot lower. And print the converted character. Else, if it is not a capital letter, means it must be a small letter, then convert it into uppercase. Ch is equal to ch dot upper. So we use two functions here, lower and upper. There are many inbuilt functions in Python like this.